Good morning, student. Hope you have seen our last video that I made on rectification of error, in which we have discussed about the types of error that we found in our accountancy. First, we discussed about those errors which affect the trial balance. Then we discussed about the error which do not affect the trial balance. So today we will discuss about the first type of error, that is one-sided error. In case of one-sided error, these error affect the trial balance. So we need to find the correct entry to rectify our error. So how we will rectify these entries, and what do mean by one-sided error? As I discussed, like if we are purchasing something and we posted in only one account, we forgot to post that entry in another account, or maybe we forgot to post about cash balance or any subsidiary book balance in our ledger account. So we will post rectifying entry today for one-sided error. So we will have some question for one-sided error. We will discuss them. How will be the following errors rectified that were identified after the preparation of trial balance? These errors we have identified after the preparation of trial balance. So we need to rectify these entry. First entry, we found that sale book was undercast by 2000. First we need to know that what type of balance for every account we have. Sales account we have a credit balance, like purchase account we have a debit balance. For other expenses like salary, wages, we have a debit balance. For incomes like rent received, commission received, interest received, we have credit balance. So that we have discussed in our ledger account or trial balance account chapter. Now we will discuss to rectify these entry through our account. Now the point came that if sale book is undercast by 2000, that means only sales account is undercast by 2000. Means sale account has a credit side balance, so the credit side of the sales account is undercast by 2000. So we will credit sales account by 2000, so it will come up to the point. But whom we will debit? Because for rectifying an entry we need to debit an account also. Like for the same entry, if we credit sales account by 2000 because it is sold undercast by 2000 to sales account by 2000, so we need to debit an account here. So what account we will debit? We will debit an another account, that is suspense account. Suspense account is that account which we use to rectify our single sided error or our double side error also. But in double side error we usually follow the rectifying entry in the both of the account, because in two sided error we have errors in a number of accounts, so we will settle that in that. But if we have error in single side, there we have only a single option to rectify these error through the suspense account. So suspense account is an account to which the difference of trial balance is prepaid temporarily. On one side we paid temporarily the difference between the trial balance, and we will settle it by rectifying our entries. So where the when the accountant is not able to able to identify the error due to which the difference of trial balance has arisen, has to close the book of account, he may place a difference or trial balance to an account title suspense account. Through suspense account, the accountant can rectify these entries. Because if we need to credit sales account, we have to post an entry, but for posting an entry we need to debit something, or maybe if we are correcting this purchase account, then we need something to credit. So we will open an another account that we known as suspense account. We will use that account for our every type of single sided error. So in this case, sale account is undercast by 2000, so we credited sales account by 2000 more. Now it is up to point. But if the same case, in the same case, if the sales book was overcast by 2000, that means the credit balance of sale book is more by 2000. For that we will debit sales account and credit suspense account. if we have entry for purchase, like if we have purchase account was undercast by 2000, as we know purchase account has a debit balance, so we will debit purchase account debit to suspense account. But if the purchase account was overcast by 2000, that we need to reverse the entry, we need to credit purchase account and debit suspense account. If we have undercast, then we will post the same entry, we will credit the same account. Like sale have undercast, then the balance of sale is credit, we will credit that. But if it have overcast balance, then we will reverse the entry, we will debit, or we will if the purchase have debit balance, we will credit. So we need to reverse in case of overcast, and we need to put the same entry in case of undercast. Next entry that we have, goods sold to Rajesh of 5000 on credit. When we sold goods to Rajesh, it means the entry would be in Rajesh account debit to sales. This was entered in sales book. We entered that entry in the sales book because the entry is Rajesh to sale. We entered in the sales book but not posted in the Rajesh account. Now we have to post the entry of sales to Rajesh account debit to sales. But what we did, we posted in the sales account but forgot to debit in the Rajesh account. Now we need to post entry in the Rajesh account. Rajesh account. We don't use account, keep it in mind always in front of name. Rajesh debit 2. We do not use sale here because we already entered in the sales book entry. We already correctly entered in sales book. So what we will use? We will use our suspense account. Suspense account, in which we will post the amount, that is 5000. So making a correction in the single side error, we use suspense account because we already have posted correct entry in our one account. For correcting those entry in second account, we need to make a use of another account that we known as suspense account. Our next entry we have cash received from Ram 2000 wrongly debited to his account. What happened when we received cash from Ram? The entry is cash account debit to Ram because we are receiving cash, so we will debit cash and credit Ram. But what we did, instead of crediting Ram, we debited Ram by 2000. Now हुआ क्या, 2000 राम से आए तो राम को हमने क्रेडिट कर दिया, अब राम हमारे अकाउंट से खत्म हो गया, लेकिन हमने उसको उल्टा डेबिट कर दिया क्रेडिट की बजाय, तो हमने और 2000 से जनरेट कर दिया उसको खत्म करने की बजाय। होता क्या है, राम मेरी बुक में 2000 से स्टैंड कर रहा था, उसने मुझे 2000 दिए, उसके 2000 आने के बाद वो हमारे अकाउंट से खत्म हो जाना था, लेकिन हमने क्या किया, उल्टा 2000 उसके अकाउंट में और पोस्ट कर दिए। नाउ राम स्टैंड फॉर 4000 इन आवर बुक्स, we have to credited Ram by 4000 now, because earlier balance of Ram 2000 is still standing and more 2000 we have debited in his account, so we need to credit Ram account by 4000 to Ram 4000 and as we know for another account we will use suspense account debit. In this question what happened, राम से 2000 रिसीव करने थे, हमने राम को 2000 पेड दिखा दिए, तो उससे हमारी बुक्स में राम 4000 से जनरेट हो गया। अब हमको राम को अगर खत्म करना है तो हमको उससे 4000 से क्रेडिट करना होगा, बट वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू यूज रिसीव कैश बिकॉज कैश वी ऑलरेडी रिसीव्ड, so what we will use, suspense account instead of cash account. So in this case you again seen that we have made a mistake only in a single account, that is Ram, not in cash account. Cash account we have debited correctly, but we made a mistake of Ram account. Instead of crediting him, we debited Ram account, so we generated additional 2000 in his account. Next entry we have cash received from Mahesh 500 not posted in his account. That is another entry that we received cash from Mahesh for 500 not posted to his account. They clearly mention that we forgot to post in his account. The entry for cash receiving from Mahesh is cash account debit to Mahesh. So in this question they do not mention that we posted in cash or not. We will take by our own that we have correctly posted in cash account, but we forgot to post in Mahesh account. So the entry we will post in Mahesh account. Earlier the entry was cash account debit to Mahesh, but for cash we will take now suspense, because in cash account we have correctly posted that entry. Suspense account debit to Mahesh by 500. This you can say partial omission also, in which you debited one account correctly, but or posted in one account correctly, but you forgot to post the entry in another account. Next entry that we have 510 paid to Mohan has been posted 150 to the debit side of his account. When we paid Mohan, the entry will be Mohan to cash, and for Mohan to cash we need to post on debit side of his account Mohan to cash. But for we need to post 510, but we posted 150 only, so we need to post 360 rupees more in his account. Suspend Mohan debit to suspense account by 360. What we did, when we paid to Mohan 510, we need to debited his account by 510 because the entry is Mohan to cash. But what we did, instead of posting 510 in his account, what we did, we posted only 150 rupee. So there is a shortfall of 360 rupee on debit side of the Mohan. So we put it by the name of suspense account, Mohan debited to suspense, because we would not use cash account here. We already have posted correct amount in the cash account. Okay, then we will have another question for single sided error, in which we have to rectify following entries. First entry is a credit sale of 1000 to Rajesh duly entered in sales book has been credited to his account. Means when we have a credit sale to Rajesh, the entry will be Rajesh account debit to sales. But what we did, we have correctly entered in the sales book, means we have correctly entered sales book, but instead of debiting the Rajesh account, what we did, we credited his account, because when we have entry Rajesh to sales, and in ledger account when Rajesh is on above, the entry will go in two sides because there is two sales. What we did, we posted that on credit side by sales. So what it will do, it will increase the Rajesh balance for by 10,000. डेबिट हमें डेबिट करना था, हमने उल्टा क्रेडिट कर दिया. फर्स्ट वी नीड टू नॉर्मलाइज दैट क्रेडिट. उस क्रेडिट को नॉर्मलाइज करने के लिए 10,000 हम डेबिट करेंगे, और जो 10,000 डेबिट करना था वो भी हम डेबिट करेंगे. सो वी नीड टू डेबिट द राजेश अकाउंट बाय डबल ऑफ द अमाउंट, because when we posted the wrong amount when we post the amount on wrong side, we will post the entry by the double of the amount. So in this case we need to post the entry by double amount. First entry, Rajesh account, we not use Rajesh debit to, we do not use cash or sale in this one because we already entered correctly in sales book. So we will use cash or sales, we will not use, we will use suspense account by double amount, that is 20,000. Then next entry we have an item of rupees 1050 for a credit sale to Roshan, although credit correctly entered in the book has been wrongly posted to his account as 1150. What happened? An item we have sold to Rohan for amount of 150, although correctly entered in the book, has been wrongly posted to his account as 1150. What we have did, we have posted the correct entry, but the amount we posted wrong. We need to post only 150, we posted by 1150. So when we have credit sale to Roshan, we would post on the debit side of the Roshan, because entry is Roshan to sale. We have debited Roshan account by 100 rupees more. So for 100 rupees more, the debit side of Roshan will increase by rupees 100. Now for normalize that side, we need to post opposite of that side, means credit side, by rupees 100. Earlier we have debited to the Rohan. Now we need to credit it to the Roshan by suspense account debit to Roshan. How much money we have increased in his debit side? By 100 rupees. So we will credit Roshan by 100 rupees, because we have debited Roshan by more by 100 rupees. We need to debited his account by only 1050, but we debited his account by 1150. So these are the little mistakes that we do in our normal accounting, because accountant sometime have sometime face some difficulties in posting entries. So might be he do some mistakes in that. So how we will correct these entry, that is then an important thing. In this case also, when we are posting the entry in the Roshan book, what mistake we did, we posted that amount by more by 100 rupees. We need to post with, like, we need to post by 100 rupees, but we posted by 200 rupees. So what we do, first we need to check on which side we posted on debit side. For normalizing the debit side or rectifying the debit side, we need to post that amount on credit side, that we posted more. We posted 100 rupees more than the actual amount, so we credited that. Now if the same question, we have debited his account by less 100 rupees, like we need to post by 1050, but we posted in his account only 950, then we need to debit Roshan account by 100 rupees more. The entry will be same, Roshan to sale, but we have correctly posted in sale account, so we will Roshan to suspense in that case. But in this case we have posted 100 rupees more than the actual amount, so we will post on other side. Next question we have, total sales of 5940 rupees has been posted as 4950 rupees in sales account. Still the same question. Total of sales is 5940, but we have posted 4950. The difference, that is 990 rupee, that we have posted less in the sales account. We need to post 5940 in sales account, but we posted only 4950. So we will post remaining amount in the sales account. In the sales account, as we know, sales have a credit balance, so we will credit sale to sales account by 990. Whom we will debit, as we all know that we debit suspense account. For single side error, we have only a single account, that is suspense account. In this case, same as in second case, we have debited more. In this case we have debited less, so we will post same entry. In this case we will not reverse the entry. In this case we reverse the entry, because entry for sale will be Roshan to sale, but because we have debited more, so we will reverse the entry, that is sales to suspense. But sales account is correctly entered, so we will use suspense account in this case. Now the next entry is about a credit balance of 7550 of rent received account was shown as 5700. So there is another mistake that we done on receiving the rent. Credit balance of rent means rent received. So this is an income for us, and income always have a credit balance. But the credit balance we have 7550, but it's showing 5700. So it is we have posted a less amount than the actual amount. Actual amount is this, so we need to credit by more, by the difference between this. Difference is 300 and 1550, that is 1850 is the difference. 1850 is the difference. We need to post the entry by the difference. First thing is, we have credited less than the actual amount, so we will credit the rent received account. Now we are crediting the rent received account by the 1850, but whom we will debit? As we know, we will always debit the suspense account, because one account we already have in which we made a mistake, but for correcting that mistake we need to open another account, and we open the suspense account for correcting our mistake. After this, we have another question, that is, an amount of 8,000 owned by a customer has been omitted from a list of sundry debtors. This is the entry when a customer we have that have 8,000 rupees of us has been omitted from the list of sundry debtors. When we made a account of sundry debtor, we do not correctly tick all the names of debtor. We forgot about one of our customer. So as we know, sundry debtors are the asset for us, and asset always have a debit balance. So we will debit that account. Account that we have is sundry debitor. Account debit. Another account that we have to do is suspense account. This is the simple entry of omission in which we forgot to taken one of our debtor. While we are making a list or maybe trial balance, we forgot some of our accounts to mention in the trial balance or to making our accounting entries. So we will take sundry debtors, because we know sundry debtors always have a debit balance, because these are the assets for us. These are the person whom we are going to receive our money. Next entry we have about an item of 500 being prepaid insurance account was omitted to be brought forward from the previous year book. It is also a omission entry. So again we will post the same prepaid insurance account debit. Prepaid insurance is also an asset for us. It means we have paid money to insurance before their actual time, so it is also an asset for us. So we will post entry in the debit side, and we will credit suspense account. So these are the entry for single sided error in which we use the suspense account to correct these entries.